Today, we're diving into the 7 best tech sales jobs for November 2024. If you're looking to make some big moves in the tech sales world, this list will give you insider access to the hottest jobs in tech sales right now. I work as an account executive at one of these companies. I know people at all these companies. I actually applied to all 7 of these companies earlier this year when I was doing my job search. So I believe in them. I've researched them. Each of the companies, what do they have in common? Best product in their category. Most of them are fully remote and hybrid. They're all hiring for SDRs, which is entry-level tech sales, and account executives, which is what I do. And they all have raised hundreds of millions of dollars in venture capital funding. So each of these companies are on a trajectory to go public one day, which means potential IPO. So now is the time to get in while you can. It's important to note most people watching this video will not be able to get hired at one of these companies because they actually are the best 7, and it's incredibly competitive. So let's get started. Number 7 on our list is Navan. I used Navan this past week. I used them to book travel to a customer on site. Great product. I know someone at Austin who works at the company. He says they're growing like a weed and he really likes working there. It's a cool culture. So if you're into like travel and expense stuff and financial angle, I think Navan could be a really cool company. The next company on our list is Ramp. Ramp is hiring for a commercial account executive and sales development reps. They are sponsoring, I feel like, every podcast I listen to. I used Ramp this past week to actually submit my expenses from that customer on-site trip because I was booking Ubers left and right, and I submitted all my expenses to Ramp, and then hopefully I get reimbursed, but it was a great product experience, and I know companies use them. Ramp has been making waves in the financial tech industry with their corporate card and expense management platform. They offer competitive salaries, stock options, and a mission-driven culture. If you're passionate about helping businesses save money and time, this might be your next big opportunity. Next on our list is Glean. Glean rejected me in devastating fashion earlier this year, and then I applied again, and they didn't even respond to me. So good luck getting hired there. They're hiring for a lot of SDR roles I saw, and then some enterprise AE roles, so sort of at the far ends of the spectrums. Glean is a rapid growing company in the AI-driven knowledge management space, whatever that means. I saw that Citibank gave them like $2 billion, and then they've got 4 co-founders from Google, and it looked like they had a really cool product, so I just assumed, hey, probably a good place to be. Go check out Glean. Next on the list is Rippling. Rippling combines HR, IT, and finance on one seamless platform, making it easier for businesses to manage their employees' entire journey. If you're experienced in B2B sales and want to be part of a company that's changing how companies operate, this could be your perfect match. It's hard to deny. Rippling is a really wonderful company. Really great. Next on our list is Databricks. They compete with Snowflake. I like Snowflake. I own a lot of Snowflake stock. Databricks has been hurting my Snowflake stocks. That's how I know they're doing something right. Databricks is an industry leader in data analytics and AI, known for their powerful data lakehouse. I'd like to go to a lakehouse here in Austin platform. This role is ideal for someone with enterprise-level sales experience who's excited to work with cutting-edge tech in the data space. Yeah, so I applied to an enterprise role, didn't get it. Next on the list, Wiz. Wiz is finally opening up the hiring. When I tried to apply to them earlier this year, they were not hiring for any roles in Austin, which was a bummer. Wiz is a cloud security company making big moves in the cybersecurity space, really hot space right now. They're looking for a seasoned salesperson who understands the cloud and cybersecurity space. With cyber threats on the rise, working at Wiz means you'll be in a high-demand, impactful field. Google tried to acquire Wiz for $23 billion a few months ago, so I think that's plenty of social proof that Wiz is doing something right. And then the final company on the list is Deal. Deal is hiring for an account executive focused on the mid-market in North America. Deal's platform simplifies global hiring and payroll, and they're growing fast as remote work continues to expand. This role is perfect for someone who loves working with a diverse client base and is interested in the future of work. Go check out Deal today. And then the final slide is if you're sitting there thinking, well, Trent, I don't have any experience. I don't have any connections. I don't know what I'm doing, but I want to make a lot of money and I know I want to work in tech sales. Well, you have a few options. You could go start applying to these companies and just getting absolutely body bagged and rejected. You could watch one of my 1,000 posted videos in this channel talking about how I got hired in tech sales twice and how I've promoted from an SDR to AE. You can go read a lot of blogs and article posts, and you could spend months doing that and maybe find your way in tech sales. Or you could invest in yourself. Like Warren Buffett says, the best investment is in yourself. No one can take that away from you. It is inflation proof. My alarm is going off right now because I'm cooking sweet potatoes in the oven. But I am the tech sales instructor at Course Careers, where I have put together the most in-depth course teaching people how to break into tech sales without any experience or even a bachelor degree in as little as 1 month. Check out the free tech sales intro course. You can click the first link in the description below, and this is the landing page it will land you on, and we'll teach you everything you need to go from not knowing anything to landing your first job. Will it guarantee you can get hired at one of these 7 companies? No. But will you increase your odds of getting at one of these 7 companies or maybe another company as a stepping stone to get to one of these companies? Absolutely yes. And then go check out one of the few dozen student success stories that I've posted to this channel and then on the Course Careers channel on the Course Careers homepage. So we've had over 1,000 people get hired in tech sales now. And if you're looking for a resource to expedite your journey, this absolutely could be right for you. So go check it out. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. We are on the road to 50,000 subscribers by the end of 2024. So subscribe now if you have not already, and I will talk to you in the next video.